Hello, my name is Sebastian. I live alone near Medellin, Colombia. Today I want to talk about my future plans. Welcome. First, if I finish my studies, I will get a better salary. This will help me improve my quality of life. Also, if I finish planning of my apartment, I will travel more and enjoy new experiences. For example, if I get to know place in Colombia, the first place I will visit is Nevado del Ruiz. It is a beautiful and famous place. Then, if I travel to Peru, I will visit Machu Picchu, which is on one of the most important tourist destinations in the world. In addition, if I see snow for the first time, I will go snowboarding. I think it will be an exciting experience. Also, a snowman will be made when snow is seen for the first time. On the other hand, if I take up cycling, I will have upgraded my bike. However, my friend too told me that cycling was expensive, so I will need to plan my budget carefully. Finally, when I finish paying for my apartment, a party will be held to celebrate this important achievement. In conclusion, I have many goals and I am motivated to achieve them step by step. Thank you.